आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 5 ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री एमसीक्यूज जो कि डिफरेंट कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 102, एग्जांपल ऑफ अ मोनो अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड इज ओलिक एसिड, एराकिडोनिक एसिड, पाल्मिटिक एसिड, लिनोलिनिक एसिड। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ओलिक एसिड इज अ मोनो अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड हैविंग वन डबल बॉन्ड। Question number 103, minimum fatty acid content is present in peanut oil, sunflower oil, or safflower oil, coconut oil. So correct answer is option D. Coconut oil contain the minimum amount of fatty acid. Question number 104, phospholipid are important cell membrane constituents because they contain glycerol. They can form bilayers in water. They combine covalently with protein, or they contain both polar and non-polar portions. So correct answer is option D. Phospholipids have both polar and non-polar regions. Question number 105. Which of the following is a phospholipid? Sphingomyelin, glycogen, oleic acid, prostaglandin. So correct answer is option A. Sphingomyelin is an example of phospholipid. Question number 106. Cholesterol content is minimum in fish, cow's skimmed milk, liver, vegetable oil. So correct answer is option D. Vegetable oil contain least amount of cholesterol. Question number 107. Cholesterol is synthesized from malate, oxalate, acetyl coenzyme A, alpha ketoglutaric acid. So correct answer is option C. कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज सिंथेसाइज्ड फ्रॉम द एसिटाइल कोएंजाइम ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 108, द कोलेस्ट्रॉल मॉलिक्यूल इज एरोमेटिक हैव एन एरोमेटिक रिंग, अ टोकोफिरोल, a straight chain acid or a steroid. So correct answer is option D. Cholesterol is a steroid molecule. Question number 109. Protein essentially contain carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. So correct answer is option C. Question number 110. Protein are synthesized at mitochondria, ribosomes, Golgi bodies, plasma membrane. So correct answer is option B. Protein are synthesized at ribosomes. Question number 111. Which chemical characteristic is not common to all living beings? Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. Energy is stored in high phosphate bond. Similar triplet code for amino acid are types of proteins present in the body. So correct answer is option D. Different types of proteins are present in different living beings. So option D is not same for all living beings. Question number 112. The principal organic constituent of a living being in order of relative abundance is water, lipid, protein, DNA. So correct answer is option C. Proteins are the most abundant macromolecule within our body. Question number 113. Nitrogen is an important component of lipid, protein, carbohydrates, nucleic acids. So correct answer is option B. Nitrogen is an essential component of proteins. Question number 114. The most diverse chemicals are polysaccharides, lipids, sugars, proteins. So correct answer is option D. Proteins are the most diverse macromolecules. Question number 115. Keratin is a protein having large amount of sulfur, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. So correct answer is option A. Keratin protein has large amount of sulfur in it. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। द टर्म प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स रिफर्स टू द सीक्वेंस ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड, ओवरऑल कन्फर्मेशन, सब यूनिट इंटरेक्शन, ऑल ऑफ दिस। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. द प्राइमरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोटीन्स मीन्स द सीक्वेंस ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड विद इन द प्रोटीन. Question number 117. The tertiary structure of protein does not contain disulfide bond, van der Waals bonds, hydrogen bonds, salt linkage. So correct answer is option D. Salt linkage are not present in tertiary structure of protein. Question number 118. Quaternary structure of protein is interrelation between the polypeptide chain of a protein having more than two polypeptide chain. So correct answer is option C. Question number 119. Keratin is a conjugated protein, tripeptide, chromoprotein, fibrous protein. So correct answer is option D. Keratin is an example of fibrous protein. Question number 120. Collagen contain hydroxyproline, tryptophan, arginine, peptone. So correct answer is option A. Hydroxyproline is a major component of collagen and it provides stability to the collagen protein. Question number 121. The most abundant protein in the human body is myosin, albumin, collagen, hemoglobin. So correct answer is option C. Collagen is the most abundant protein in human body. Question number 122. The structural proteins are globular, fibrous, branched, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Structural proteins are fibrous in nature. For example, keratin protein. Question number 123. The highest concentration of cysteine can be found in melanin, myosin, collagen, keratin. So correct answer is option D. Keratin protein contain highest concentration of cysteine amino acid. Question number 124. Keratin is synthesized from glycine and ornithine, methionine and glycine, thymine and ornithine, glycine, arginine and methionine. So correct answer is option D. Keratin is synthesized from glycine, arginine as well as methionine. Question number 125. The hyaline membrane is mainly composed of protein, cholesterol, phospholipid, carbohydrates. Correct answer is option A. Hyaline membrane is formed at pulmonary surface and it is mainly composed of protein. Question number 126. The smallest structural unit of proteins are called peptides, proteoses, amino acids, peptones. So correct answer is option C. Amino acid are the smallest structural unit of protein molecule. Question number 127. The formation of a protein is a type of dehydration synthesis, dehydration analysis, hydration synthesis, hydration analysis. So correct answer is option A. The formation of a protein is a dehydration synthesis during which a peptide bond is formed and water molecule is removed between amino acids. Question number 128. The N-hydro bond of proteins are called ester bonds, glycosidic bond, diester bond, peptide bonds. So correct answer is option D. The anhydro bond of proteins are called peptide bonds that are formed between two amino acids. Question number 129. Peptide bond binds the molecule of sucrose, amino acid, glucose, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Peptide bond binds the molecules of amino acids. Question number 130. Amino acids are formed during the digestion of starch, minerals, proteins, lipids. So correct answer is option C. Amino acids are formed as a result of digestion of protein molecule. Question number 131. The RNA takes part in the synthesis of DNA, protein, carbohydrate, fats. So correct answer is option B. RNA direct the synthesis of protein. Question number 132. The protein specificity is due to sequence of amino acid, types of amino acids, quantity, time of synthesis. So correct answer is option B. Protein specificity is because of the types of amino acid present in them. Question number 133. A semi-indispensable amino acid for human consumption is valine, lysine, arginine, leucine. So correct answer is option C. A semi-indispensable amino acid means any amino acid that is synthesized by adult but not by child is semi-indispensable amino acid. And its example is arginine. In addition to arginine, histidine is also a semi-indispensable amino acid. Question number 134. An enzyme is formed by chemical bonding together amino acids, carbohydrates, lipases, carbon dioxide. So correct answer is option A. Amino acids chemically bond with each other to form protein, and enzymes is also a protein in nature. Question number 135. The functional protein is collagen, vitamin, osin, enzymes. So correct answer is option D. Enzymes are known as functional protein. Question number 136. Casein contained in the milk is fat, carbohydrate, or bacterium or protein. So correct answer is option D. Casein that is present in the milk is a phosphoprotein. Question number 137. Which one is absent in protein? Carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur. So correct answer is option B. Phosphorus is normally absent in protein. Question number 138. Which one is not a protein? Myosin, actin, albumin, hematin. So correct answer is option D. Hematin is not a protein, rather it is a iron containing pigment and it inhibits the synthesis of porphyrin and promote the synthesis of globin. क्वेश्चन नंबर 139. विच वन आर द मोस्ट डाइवर्स मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द सेल? तो प्रोटीन्स जो हैं वो सेल के मोस्ट डाइवर्स मॉलिक्यूल कंसिडर किए जाते हैं. Question number 140. Which one yield from the protein on hydrolysis? तो प्रोटीन की जब हाइड्रोलाइसिस होती है तो उससे अमाइनो एसिड बनते हैं. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. Question number 141. Which one is polymerized to yield protein? Monosaccharide, muramic acid, amino acid, all of the above. So correct answer is option C. Amino acids polymerize to form protein. Question number 142. Who coined the term protein? Fischer, Hofmeister, Mulder, Sanger, Dickerson. So correct answer is option B. Johann Mulder coined the term protein for the first time in 1838. Question number 143. A basic amino acid present in body protein is arginine, alanine, glycine, valine. So correct answer is option A. Arginine is a basic amino acid present in our body. Question number 144. Which of the following amino acid is involved in the formation of heme? Histidine, glycine, valine, tyrosine. So correct answer is option A. In the formation of heme, glycine amino acid is involved. Question number 145. The amino acid with the lowest molecular weight is serine, glycine, cysteine, threonine. So correct answer is option D. Glycine is a lowest molecular weight amino acid. Question number 146. Most complex amino acid having ring structure is glycine, tyrosine, leucine, or tryptophan. So correct answer is option D. Tryptophan is a complex amino acid having a ring structure. Question number 147. Feathers are made up of protein, lipids, alpha keratin, beta keratin. So correct answer is option D. Feathers of birds are made up of beta keratin protein. Question number 148. Example of phosphoprotein is mucin, hemoglobin, casein, ferritin. So correct answer is option C. Casein is a phosphoprotein present in the milk.